day, McVeigh, and happy Thursday. Good morning, boys and girls. So I have some cool projects to share with you today. This one is a book by Dominic. It's about his family, and what it is the handprints of the family members. So Lizzie, Damien, Victoria, Elizabeth. But I think that these are people, it could be people in the family, but it could also be friends that are being considered family. And each one has a handprint with a heart. So yeah, super nice. And then we have some math by Gemma and Michelle, as well as Amar. So this is all addition, subtraction, and some cool illustrations. This is Michelle and Amar with a reminder to be kind and help each other. And then Gemma also has some very cool illustrations, excellent facial expressions, right? So we can tell how she feels by the expression on her face. And multiplication. Go math. And then Evan, in our third grade, wrote a book about Sparky, the superhero. So this is a super cool story. Began with once upon a time there was a cat named Sparky who wanted to be a superhero, so he made a cape. And at first it didn't go well. People didn't accept that he was a superhero. But suddenly a gust of wind came and Sparky was sucked into a portal and was able to fly. So, you'll have to stay tuned to the next adventure to find out what happens, to see if there's another adventure with an octopus, because that's the next character that Sparky encounters. All right, moving on to our mystery number and myrtle. Let's take a look here. All right, so I had one correct answer come in. That is from the Gelsers. All right, so I said this prefix, and it can sometimes be used as a word, actually, means to move. But I also said these three are vowels. All right, here's my clue for today. This letter and this letter are the same. All right, mystery number. So we know we're dealing with two even numbers that are not homonyms. Using what you know about numbers, you're going to make the largest number with the two vacant, which means empty, place values, the hundreds and the ones. Now it's time for a Mighty Kind Moment of the Day. Let's get a drum roll. Dun, dun, dun. All right, I love this one. Look at this. Be kind to the earth. And look at that picture. There's the earth with all the kids around it being kind to each other. That's the world I dream of. So let's think about that. So being kind to the earth means not just the earth. Here you see all the children around the earth. It means the people on it too. People who live on earth and the earth we live on. Why? Because you're a mighty mind. Not only that, mighty kind, mighty minded. Every day, boys and girls, it's a great day to get smart and be kind to both each other and the earth. Let's have a wonderful day.